Want to create presenter-led videos without having to record yourself every time?
With Visla, you can create a reusable custom avatar from a written description or a photo. You can then use your avatar across a wide range of business videos. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to create a custom avatar, choose the right photo, and create variations of your avatar for various use cases.
Before we begin, the availability of custom avatars depends on your Visla plan.
Check out our pricing page and see how many custom avatars your plan permits. We'll link that page in the description. To get started, select Create Avatar from the left sidebar of your Visla dashboard. You'll see two creation options: Generate AI Character and Select Photo. Let's begin with Generate AI Character. This option allows you to create a fictional presenter using a written description. Start by choosing the avatar's age range, gender, and ethnicity. Then, use the appearance box to describe how you want your avatar to look. You can include details about the presenter's hair, clothing, accessories, expression, and overall appearance. Keep in mind the role your avatar will play in your videos.
For example, you might create a friendly instructor wearing business casual clothing for employee training videos. You could also create a polished product expert for tutorials, feature announcements, or customer education content.
When you're ready, select Generate Preview. Visla will create 4 character options based on your selections and description. If none of the options match what you had in mind, select Generate again to create 4 new options. After selecting a character, click Continue and choose its default speaking language and voice. You can also give the avatar a name and provide additional instruction about its clothing, skin, or accessories, if necessary. Select Generate, and Visla will begin creating your custom avatar. It will be available for use in your video projects and for viewing in your Workspace's custom avatar library. We'll go into more detail on this library shortly. The second creation option is Select Photo.
This option is useful when you want your avatar to look like you, a team member, or another recognizable presenter.
You can add a photo in 3 ways. Choose Upload to select an image from your device. Choose Import to use an image that is already stored in your workspace. Or choose Capture to take a new photo using your camera. Make sure to read and follow the listed guidelines to create the highest quality avatar possible. After accepting Visla's terms of service and privacy policy, you'll be able to edit the name, language, voice, and restyle your avatar as you see fit. When you're finished, select Generate. Visla will generate the avatar, which will be available for use in your video projects and for viewing in your Workspace's custom avatar library. You can manage your custom avatars by opening your Workspace settings and selecting Avatar from the left sidebar. You'll see a collection of Visla's public avatars and your custom avatars. You can update an avatar's name, default language, default voice, or outfit at any time. Changes made to your avatar will apply when you use it in future video projects. You can also change the avatar's voice or language inside an individual video without changing its Workspace defaults. Each custom avatar can also have multiple outfits. For example, the same avatar could have a business casual outfit for tutorials, a formal outfit for company announcements, and a branded outfit for marketing content. Visla's public avatars come in a variety of styles, so feel free to explore if you're looking for inspiration.
And that's how to create a custom avatar in Visla.
With a reusable custom avatar, you can create consistent presenter-led videos without organizing a new recording session every time you update your content.
Thanks for watching, and be sure to stop by our YouTube page for more tutorial videos.